What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to increase BillEase credit limit. So in this case, you might be wondering how to increase your limit here on your BillEase account. Well, there are a few things here that you need to understand. Now, BillEase here is like any other app or platform out there that concerns financials. In this case, requires requires them to trust you, to basically give or to basically allow them to trust you to basically pay your bills here. So if you understand that, so to be speaking, again, like any other bank out there or any loaning app out there, they need to have some form of trust that they could put in you. So in this case, with that said, there are a few methods here that you may want to do on a daily basis. Now, it's not something they could do instantly on your account. It's an accumulation of things that you could do with your account. Now, we actually have this blog here, which is directly from BillEase blog. So, in this case, this is a published article directly from them. So, in this case, in order for you to increase your BillEase credit limit, first is you may want to use BillEase here as your mode of payment as frequently as you can. So in this case, BillEase is actually partnered with several merchants here. So that includes like Lazada, Flower Store Page, and a lot more. So in this case, if BillEase is available, you may want to start using it. Now the thing with BillEase here is, again, we're building our credit, or in this case, our profile with BillEase. Now if they realize that, hey, you're a frequent user here, maybe you could use the extra credit limit here for your account. And also, you may want to pay your bills here on time using BillEase. So in this case, the more you pay or keep up with your account here and not make sure that your bills don't lapse with BillEase here, the more their trust in your account would actually increase. Now, also in here, they also say that you may need to pay your outstanding obligations here in full. Now, if you can, especially like at the end of the month, make sure to pay your outstanding obligations here or your outstanding payments, just to make sure that you don't have any like outstanding balances. So it's not good if you leave some outstanding balances in your account. So again, pay your outstanding obligations here or balance here in BillEase, so that again they accumulate or they build trust in your account. But in this case, usually speaking here, once they have enough trust into your account here, they will offer you an increased credit limit. So they will inform you via the app itself. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So for this video, feel free to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.